Very good evening, guys. My name is Rahul Pandey, and today I'm just going to speak few lines, or you can just say like I'm going to deliver a short speech on this diary. What I'm holding in my hand, you all guys can see. I'm holding this diary, so I'm gonna speak few lines about this diary. This is my, a topic. My student had provided me this topic, so let me speak few lines about this diary. So see, I have written the patterns so that it will help all students to understand. Firstly, short introduction, we'll talk about. Now I'm going to talk about the diary, okay? Relate to this. So this diary, see, according to me guys, this diary is better than my friends also. Because I know I'm not going to spend much time with my friends and relatives. But this diary is really going to be with me always. And I'm sure that it will be perpetual with me. Okay? Why I'm saying it's very important for me, because whatever I think, whatever I feel to write, I always document, I always notate everything in this diary. And this diary is not only the diary. This diary is having a lot of things what I have written in it. And this is not only the written things, it's just a sweet memories also. Sometimes it's knowledgeable thing also, sometimes it could be motivational thoughts also. So it is helping me just keep the all words secure in this as a diary. So that's what I'm loving it more than everything. And this diary is always useful for me when I want to teach some kind of, or when I want to provide some kind of information. I'm already, keeping everything, all contents in this, and it is always helping me just to, go through this. So it is also helping when I'm taking my class. So as like some topics, whatever is the specific topic, I will always write in this, and that topic I will be teaching with my students. Fine. And see, diary is always why it's important. It is important just to save your notes, save your writing, save your stories, whatever you want to keep in this, it will be always secure. And see, sometimes this could be also, sometimes this diary could be also your weapon. When someone is around you or trying to just snatch something which is invaluable, you can just hit them from this diary. Because this diary is not a normal diary. You can see, this is strong, right guys? This is a strong diary also, so you can use sometime as a weapons also. But this very rarely. I'm just saying very rarely. Okay? This diary is having lot of sweet memories, and this diary is not only the diary. This diary is a sweet place where I always go and spend time writing something with this. I prefer to spend much time with this diary. And this is why it's needed for the all. Nowadays, everyone should have a diary so that you can capture, you can write the all things according to your choice. Because your thought is just like a bubbles. Thought might come, might go. Comes quickly, goes quickly. I have already written the thoughts on this. Like, thought is just like a, big bubbles. Comes quickly, but goes very quickly. Understand? Thought ऐसा ही आता तो बहुत जल्दी है, but जाता बहुत जल्दी है. So that you should not forget your thoughts. If you want to save and secure your thoughts, this is the better place to do.